Greetings, viewers. Today, we're tackling a common problem for parents and frequent travelers alike: keeping backseat passengers entertained on long car rides. We'll be taking a close look at the Lamicall car headrest tablet holder, available on Amazon. Is it the solution to in-car entertainment woes? Does it offer secure tablet mounting and ease of use? We'll delve into its features, build quality, and overall value to determine if it's a worthwhile investment. Let's get started. Welcome back to AI Tech Bundle. Alright, let's unbox the Lamicall car headrest tablet holder and see what we're working with. Inside, we find the main clamping mechanism, the adjustable tablet cradle, and clear, concise instructions. The first thing that strikes me is the robust construction. The materials feel durable, with a combination of sturdy plastic and what appears to be reinforced metal components. This suggests a level of quality that inspires confidence. The clamp itself feels secure, and the tablet cradle appears adjustable to accommodate a variety of device sizes. The instructions are straightforward and easy to follow, which is always a welcome sign. No need for an engineering degree to get this thing installed. Installation is a breeze. Simply loosen the screw on the clamp, attach it securely to the headrest posts, and tighten. The mechanism feels very stable. Now let's attach the tablet cradle. It slides easily into place and clicks securely. The adjustable arms of the cradle extend smoothly and hold the tablet firmly. What's particularly impressive is the 360-degree rotation offered by the ball joint. This allows for both portrait and landscape viewing, catering to different content and preferences. Furthermore, the tilt adjustment allows for optimal viewing angles, minimizing glare and ensuring comfortable viewing for passengers of varying heights. The adjustability is key for ensuring that your passengers aren't straining their necks to watch their favorite shows. Now, the all-important question: how stable is it? While we can't fully replicate real-world driving conditions in a studio setting, the holder feels exceptionally secure. The grip is firm, and the tablet remains stable even with moderate shaking. The product description emphasizes vibration reduction, and based on my initial impressions, it seems to deliver on that promise. Of course, extreme driving conditions could present a different scenario, but for everyday use, I'm confident in its stability. The Lamicall holder boasts compatibility with a wide range of tablets, from smaller models like the iPad mini to larger 10 to 12-inch devices. This versatility is a significant advantage, especially if you have multiple devices in your household. It is important to double-check the dimensions of your tablet against the product specifications to ensure compatibility. So, what's the verdict? Overall, the Lamicall car headrest tablet holder impresses with its robust build quality, ease of installation, and excellent adjustability. The secure grip provides peace of mind, and the wide compatibility makes it a versatile solution for in-car entertainment. While a long-term test under various driving conditions would provide a more definitive assessment, my initial impressions are overwhelmingly positive. For the price, which you can check out through the link in the description below, the Lamicall car headrest tablet holder offers excellent value and is a worthwhile investment for anyone seeking to entertain backseat passengers on long journeys. If you found this review helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech reviews and gadget evaluations. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions or have experience with this product. Thanks for watching.